How cold is it? Cold. Okay, that's probably pretty clean. So go ahead and lick it up. Unlike my mom, which wouldn't let me touch a banister while going down the stairs, we let him lick the freaking North Pole. No, Ty, enough! Jeez. You have to...
Make out.
Yeah, you have to make out with the pole.
Right.
Laura, you're on camera. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas in June.
Evan, look at Daddy. There. Evan.
Evan. Evan. Yoo-hoo! Can you get the plastic out of his mouth? They look like great parents.
Is it cold? Did you go give it a big hug? Look at that pole, big hug.
I want to see Santa.
Alright, let's do it. Can you push him so I can film?
Yeah. Hey, come on, Brianna. She just hugged the pole. You missed it. Do it again.
Brianna, go hug the
Big
pole.
hug.
Like,
Okay, let's go see Santa. Come on, Bree. Up here.
what is that right there?
Are you going to tell him you're a good girl?
Mom, can you tell me? Oh, is this ear? Tell him that.
Ask him that.
Whoa.
You could ask him.
I don't know how the lighting. Go ahead, Ty. Santa Claus. Good, go say hi to Santa.
Oh, you're getting so big now. Oh, my. How old are you?
Laura, come, just sign that afterwards.
I think so. You have lots of fun. Santa Claus. Okay. What's your name? What is it?
She's Brianna. Brianna's on his lap. Ty, you want to sit on his lap with Brianna?
Tyler, please come here. Come here. Just come over here and watch him.
Okay, we'll just wait. We'll do it again. Okay, come on, Brianna. Say goodbye.
What we want for Christmas?
You have a Merry Christmas. Okay, sweetie? Thanks for coming to see me. Okay? There you go.
That's so cute. Thank you. No, don't do
That's
it.
my tiger.
She's gross.
That's my tiger. Okay?
You can give that back to him. Okay, come on, honey.
Fun now, all right?
Oh wait, no.
Get out of here, Mom.
Evan's going on. Come on. You've seen him before.
You're a big boy, Evan. He's having a fun day. He wants to ride some more rides.
Look, he's going for the buttons.
You're a big boy, aren't you? You're gonna pull my buttons off.
Want to go sit on his lap with that? Because we're going to leave and then we're not going to come back.
What you want for Christmas real quick. Okay, come on.
That's a nice baby.
He hasn't seen for a long time. I think he was cute.
Okay, grab Evan. We're going to go and then we're not going to come back up. So now is the time. Go say hi. Go say hi. Give him a hug. Go say hi.
Do you
Give him
want
a
to
hug.
tell Santa?
Hi, what's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler? How old are you, Tyler? I can't see very. Come on closer to the sunshine, my. Are you 5 now? Come on over here and see me, man. Yeah, golly, you're getting to be a pretty big
Brianna.
boy, aren't you? Are you having lots of fun today? Did you ride a lot of rides?
Okay, that's it,
Yeah,
Brianna.
those rides?
Those aren't yours.
Hey.
Honey. Those. No, honey. Brianna, those aren't yours. Put those back. Do you know?
Pretty good list, isn't it?
Couldn't go for me one.
He's as big as you are.
You're gonna start this fall, you work hard.
No, I got my boy over there.
Look at her.
Daddy?
Be the best boy you can. Let's have a really good Christmas. Okay, son. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
You can go get
There's a Christmas story I would like to tell you, which I think we might all take as an object lesson. You see, even the nicest person among us can occasionally slip up and find himself listed here in Santa's naughty list. Such was the case of Elmer the Elf, who's usually the nicest of all fellows. But last Christmas Eve, although it was actually just after Christmas, just before January, to be honest, we were all completely knackered after a long Christmas season. I'm afraid everyone's temperature grade. Probably nothing. Probably a trick of the light or a bee flying past or something. Well, anyway, eating your vegetables every night, taking out the rubbish every day when asked would be a thought. Or doing anything else that Mum and Dad ask you to do. Aha! Caught you, didn't I? Well, now we've got an horrible problem. This is Elmer the Elf. This is the naughty list. Apparently, Elmer has escaped. Not to fear, though, I can fix that. As a wizard, I know how to send him right back into that naughty list. To do that, I must...
Brianna. Hi, honey. Are you going on a ride?
How about yourself?
We got a little girl. Alexis.
Grab your steering wheel. There you go.
He's like, what the heck are we doing? Wave at mommy. Let me know she's driving.
Ty, can you wave, Ty?
Tyler.
There's no string. brought that in herself.
Well, she.
She was like, oh, they'll like that. Hold him. Get your arm around him, Ty.
Nice.
Ty, arm around him. Ty.
He's holding hands with him. He'll be up on the water.
He's holding on it.
Evan! Evan! He's like, no.
Good job, Tyler. I'm gonna get him at that spot. Ring the bell, Brianna. Pull the string, Brianna. Pull the string, pull the string. Pull the string, Brianna. Yeah, pull, pull. Pull it hard. Get a little active.
The bells, okay? Oops.
I'll go on the blue.
Okay, wait a minute. You gotta wait for these kids to come
Now
out.
I'll go with Evan.
You want to go with them now?
Oops.
Hold on.
I'm gonna take a new one.
I think that thing goes a little fast for Evan.
Yeah, a little fast.
Evan!
I know. Did the bells ring?
Tyler, look at mommy. Tyler.
Ring those bells, buddy! Make the bells go.
I'm back.
Okay, you gotta sit back. Sit back.
Hey, Tyler.
Watch me answer.
Where on today we go?
Hold on to that.
Take my first front.
Okay.
Oh, the back is bumpy.
Brianna, are you ready?
Yeah.
It is extremely bumpy.
Mama, in the back.
Daddy, you ready?
Oh my gosh, it's bumpy.
Hang on.
Kyle, you ready?
Hang on, Mommy.
Hang on.
Not that.
I want to get out.
Brianna, what are you looking for?
What are you doing, honey?
What you
What? What are you doing?
Okay, let's head up the hill. Can you wave?
Wave at mommy. Oh, let's find another bug.
Brianna.
Where'd Tyler go?
He's up the hill.
Hey, Brianna. Brianna, look at mommy. Hi. Are you on the bug, Brianna? Oh. Tyler. 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 Yeah. Hey, honey.
That's how they're going on the big plane. Okay, that's all I'm gonna take.
Hi, Tyler. Hi, Brianna. What's the matter? You all done? You want to go home? Evan, you got done? Evan. Evan. Hi, honey. Hi. Okay. Hi, Brianna. What are you doing? Are you eating carrots? Huh?
Hey, Mom.
Tell him to do that again.
Tell him to do that again. Okay, I will. Evan!
Oh, there he goes. What are you guys doing?
We're eating cake, see? The cake?
Yeah. Brianna, is that yummy?
Okay.
You like cake?
Yeah, this cake. Oh, yeah. This cake is the best cake. Okay, Mom.
Brianna, you have nice hair today.
I will make us cake. I made the cake.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What do you think about the cake, Evan?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is the best. I don't know. Mom, want me to do it to you now?
No.
I want to see how you look.
I have my jammies on still.
Okay. Here. That tastes that good. Look out for his cheese. Cheese.
Just like, come back over here, Bree.
Mom, look
Just
at me
hang on.
now.
I'll look at you in a second. Okay, what? That's good, Tyler. Don't touch. Do it again. Oh, is that your big muscle? Look at your butt. It's got chocolate cake on it.
What does it?
It does too. Turn around. Yeah, because you have chocolate cake on your butt. Evan, you're looking a little retarded. A little retarded. Evan. Move your head, Tyler. Move. Tyler, move. Evan, do this. Stop it.
Okay. Oh, baby.
No, she's got chocolate on yourself. Yeah. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Can I say goodbye?
Say I love you, Mommy.
Mom, I'll say goodbye. Mom,
Okay.
goodbye. And Evan.
Bye.
What does a dog say?
Woof, woof. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a monkey. What does a dog say? Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Woof, woof. Yeah. Woof.
She likes the monkey part a lot.
Do the monkey again.
What does a monkey say?
We're not monkey day.
What did another monkey say?
Have anybody eaten yogurt?
Oh, I hate it. What does a pig say?
Pig say, oink, oink.
Good girl.
What about a cow? What's a cow say?
Oink, oink, oink.
No, a cow. What's a cow say, Bree?
No.
No, that's what Brianna says. What does a cow say?
Cow say. Oink, oink, oink.
No, moo.
Moo, 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 moo.
Do the monkey. What does the monkey do?
What does the monkey say?
Monkey say. Monkey say. What does monkey say? Monkey say.
Okay, watch this. This is a funny one. What does a horse say?
What does a horse say?
What does a horse say?
A horse say.
Come on, let me stand up, Brianna.
Look at mommy.
Go. She tries so hard. What does a sheep say?
Brianna, look at mommy.
You want to sit up on my lap?
Hi, Evan. Evan, look at mommy. Hi.
Daddy doesn't want
Hi,
to get in
you're
the camera though because he's half asleep here with underwear on.
Okay.
What does a sheep say? Brianna's got Tyler's boxers on.
Good.
Brianna's on drugs today.
Brianna, say iguana. Brianna, what are you doing?
You smoked a couple joints? Oh God, the ecstasy.
Brianna.
Oh, the room is spinning. You gotta do this though. You gotta do some hippie stuff. You gotta
What do you say to me?
Brianna.
Trying to avoid being in the shot.
Brianna. Brianna, say iguana. Iguana.
What does a sheep say?
She's from
says,
Japan.
Bah.
Okay,
She's not interested anymore.
I can't.
Big brown lion.
Hi, Evan. Are you gonna comb mommy's hair? Huh? Hi. Hi, buddy. Will you take out his nose, Dad? Hi, there you go.
Hello. Okay. What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Moo. Did that sound real?
Do it again, Brianna.
What about a pig? Oink, 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 oink. How about a froggy? Ribbit. 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 What about a ducky? What does a ducky say? Quack, quack, quack.
Ducky say quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Ducky's on the rock.
Quack. Affleck.
Don't do that. I say rock.
What about a lion? Lion says, roar.
On the
Good girl. What about a big shark? What does a shark say? Shark says, roar. That's an alligator. You gotta do like this.
Evan loves it. Like I could do it raw.
I have a go night.
He did. I think he did.
You have to go night night.
No. I gotta go night. TJ house.
You're gonna go to TJ's house. Okay.
I want to go to TJ.
I gotta go in the shower, so can you press pause and you guys can keep making animal noises? Or I can bring down the sea and save. Good girl.
What else?
How about a cat? Cat. What does a cat say?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Look at her shoes. You got a style and look to you today.
Oh, good.
Boxers, dress.
An ant says roar.
What does an ant say? An ant doesn't say anything.
The ant says, hi, Brianna.
Brianna, stop stomping on me. That's what an ant says. Okay, give that to Evan. You're not supposed to chew on it. What's wrong with you?
Oh, don't do that. What are you doing that for? Can you count for us? 1, 2, 3.
No.
3.
No, 3.
She only knows up to
4. 5. 6. 6. 6. What?
Can we see some smiles? Big smiles?
Do your biggest smile.
Brianna's
Cheese.
Tyler's a cowboy.
No.
Say, he's not a cowboy.
Hey, time for night-night, Brianna.
I'm not going to night.
Why not?
I wake up tomorrow.
It's night-night time already.
No.
Are you sure?
No, I can't go to night. I can't.
Why not?
I can't.
You gotta make monkey noises.
Tyler, did you put that outfit together yourself?
What?
What are you getting? What's that? What's that?
That's a scarf. It's a stylish scarf. Okay, I'm going. Don't film over here. I'm gonna tear up.
Okay, Tyler,
Where did that go, Ty?
turn around and show me your tan line. Turn around and show me your tan.
No.
Please. Come on.
Everybody will see my butt.
We're not going to show anybody this movie.
No.
No.
Okay? Okay.
Why do you make silly faces?
What?
Why are you so silly?
I don't know.
You going to go swimming today?
Yes. Can I please go swimming right now?
No.
Aww.
What else? Do you want to say anything?
Oh, yes.
What?
I want to say goodbye.
Hey, Evan. What's the matter? What's the matter? What Tyler put a monkey on you? Evan. What's the problem? Just something on your back? What did Tyler do to you? Hi. Get out of here then. You're okay. Get out of here. Let me get that monkey. Yeah, the monkey on you. Okay. Okay, Tyler, tell us about your show.
Hold on.
We're gonna see a show, Brianna?
Should I put him in the crib?
Sure.
I'm gonna put him in here so he doesn't mess up your show.
Go sit on the chair then. I don't care what you do. Here's Evan.
Just sit on this chair, honey. Am I okay, Tyler? I'm not in your way, am I?
You got an itchy nose, Evan? Get out of there. Get out. Hey. Hi. Hi, Evan.
Big grins.
Hi, you. You're in jail.
He's got a lot of Toy Story people.
Holy smokes, Deroni. What'd you do there? got all your guys. Oh, you're in the way, honey. Oh, she just wants a chair. You get it, pull it out, Bree. Okay, are you starting your show?
Yeah.
I think it's the carpet.
Yeah, it doesn't look so good on the carpet. Are you ready, honey?
Brianna, no. Put it down.
No.
Put it down. It doesn't go in there. It doesn't go in there. Put it down. No, not now. Oh, that's a different one.
Hey, that's Mr. Potato Head. I can't find. Hold on, Miss I.
Oh no. Is it starting now? Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't do him or Jesse yet.
Oh.
Oh. What is coming? Help you? Why? No, you can't. Can you do this? Whoa.
Wanna come watch the show?
Oh, that was nice, huh?
What is rockets? What is rocket ship? No rocket for the ship for him. Let's go and bring it down, people.
What are you doing, Evan?
Look at this.
Put it back, honey. Tyler's doing a show. Put it back.
Put it down, honey.
Tyler's doing a show. We gotta just watch. Don't be naughty.
Brianna.
Don't be naughty.
Do you want to go night-nights? And be a good girl. Brianna.
You can have the little one.
There. Say thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler.
Thank you. You're welcome. Buzz Lightyear. To the radio. Oh.
Whoa.
I don't have a puppy. Look at this puppy. It's this is puppy Dave. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, cowboy. Oh, no, she's not here.
Yep, cowboy.
You need enough cow? Yes. Down there. The cow. Clown. One eye. Teeth right, guy. I need an eye. I need an eye. Oh.
Can Evan have his toy? He's bored.
Which one is not
I want the little pig.
1, 2, 3. Actually, I'll go.
Oh, let's go to the top.
We'll have a go home.
Lightyear to the rescue.
He got spin.
Evan. Okay, do the end of the show now. Okay?
Yeah. It's maybe not in the show.
But we gotta go take care of Evan, so it has to be the end.
Look at him. Breathe. Breathe. What? Yeah, yeah. Nom nom.
Is that it?
No.
Do they say anything? Okay, look at the camera. Say I love you, Mom.
Okay.
Look at me.
Love you.
Look at me, your face. Say I love you, Mom.
Love you.
Okay.
Everybody else wants to say love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Love you. No, I don't. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Brianna, say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mama.
Look at me.
Mom. Mom.
What did the duck say, Brianna?
Mom. Wait. Mom,
Evan, what does the baby
listen.
say?
Mom.
Evan, what does the baby
Mom,
say?
look at these people.
What does the baby say?
Mom, look at
Just a
all
minute,
these
Tyler.
people.
Evan. 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 Evan, what does the baby say? What does the grandma say?
Hi.
Brianna, what does the Brianna say? Say, I'm gonna be a movie star. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. They're not saying.
Oh, they're all saying goodbye. Bye, everybody. Okay.
They didn't. You didn't say all.
I think I got all of them. Okay? See ya.
This guy.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Come on, Daddy's making a movie. You gotta do it. Ready? Went up the water spout.
I'm over here playing hide and seek.
No, we're doing Itsy
No,
Spider.
Itsy Bitsy Spider.
And then you get a candy. You want a candy?
No.
Do you want a new doggy?
No. How?
Want a new puppy?
Cold.
Do you want
It's gonna be hot.
birthday cake? Happy birthday to you.
Okay, I'm having this.
Okay, ready?
Well, go. Where do they go?
Oh no.
Yeah, you do. Go put them where they go.
Birthday to you.
Get some shorts out of your drawer.
Birthday to you.
Okay, let's do Itsy Spider. Ready?
Okay.
Itsy bitsy spider. Do this part. Itsy Spider. Look. Ready? Went up the water spout.
Come on, Brianna. Itsy Bitsy Spider. I knew this was gonna happen. Ty, go
ready?
get some shorts on. You're on camera.
Okay.
You gotta get underwear on.
Okay, ready? Brianna, come on. Itsy Spider. Tyler, you do it with her. Ready?
Evan's upset.
Ready? Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain
and
washed the spider out. Up came the sun.
Come on, Brianna.
Up came the sun.
Up came the spider, went back up his.
Come on, Brianna. Up came the sun. Let me see that
Up
part.
came the sun,
And dried up all the rain.
dried up all the rain. Oh, we're done.
No.
That's not Itsy Spider.
Betsy Spider went up the castle And then rain went down the castle. Then all the sun came around. Ow, we do it again? I think our toast is going to fall out.
You guys do Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Just one time.
Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the castle. Then up the sun dried out all the rain.
Do Rockaredos.
Do you want to do Rockaredos? Do it with Tyler. Tell Tyler.
Yay!
Yay!
I love doing that.
Do Rockaredos.
Tyler, get away from the camera. Come on. Tyler, Brianna wants you to play Rockaredos.
Rockaredos, we all fall down.
What do you want to play? Tell Daddy. Just wait, Tyler, let go a second. Tell Daddy. What do you want to play?
I want to play Rockaredos.
Rockaredos?
Rockaredos.
Get
Get
up.
up. Get up.
Why? What are we going to do?
Get up and hold our hand.
And then what?
What are we going to do? Rockaredos?
Why do you want her to get up?
Rockaredos.
Okay.
Rockaredos.
No.
Rockaredos.
Ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies, ashes, ashes, all fall down.
Yay!
What? What are we going to do?
Dad, can I have one of these? Okay.
No.
Okay. What do we have to do? Get
You're
out?
doing Rockaredos.
Then can I?
Come on.
Maybe.
Rockaredos. Get up.
Move that pillow out of there.
Now ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies, ashes, ashes, all fall down.
Yay!
Now I can have one, huh?
No, wait till you're done with the movie.
Please.
I'm gonna put them in the garbage. Nope. Brianna, I'm surprised Brianna doesn't have bad memories of this.
Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy.
Do a count.
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay, say goodbye, Daddy.
No,
Say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody.
Say goodbye. Bye, everybody.
Say I love you.
Goodbye. Bye.
Stop! Don't touch.
Goodbye.
Don't hit the camera. Oh, you got You. Oh! You bad kid. Ow!
Say goodnight.
Can I have one?
Yeah, Ty. You can have one.
Yeah.
Don't hit the camera.
Let's go down there. I'm gonna go down there.
Why?
Because I'm gonna go down there.
What do you want to go downstairs for?
I'm gonna go down there.
I think you gotta go night night.
No.
You gotta go brush your teeth.
Time for night night.
No, I don't want to brush my teeth.
Okay, time for night night.
That's my teeth. This.
I think she needs your stool. Ty, Brianna, where's your stool? Your feet are.
My doors. This is my door.
Honey, be careful. You're gonna fall.
Do you need help?
No.
If I cut this in video.
I did that one. I did that one.
This one's yours?
Look at those little legs. She's just touching with her tippy toes on the little ledge.
Where's your toothpaste?
I think that's all gone. Are you not sleepy? Hi there. Why aren't you sleeping? It's sleep time.
Your daddy's just gonna get the toothpaste here. You can use some. No.
There's no baby toothpaste.
Come back. No, it's bedtime. Come on. I'm not gonna leave the light on. Can I have a couple hugs first? All right. Okay. Do you want to hear our book?
Yeah.
Okay. First, take a look at the book.
I'm gonna zoom in a little. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
It's Brianna's favorite. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name was Brianna. She had big brown eyes and pink lips. She had big cheeks and pretty, pretty hair. She likes to wear her pink pajamas and suck her thumb for night-night time. And she just took a bath and she smells really good. Are you looking at the pictures? Brianna has
She's really focused.
long eyelashes and they're very beautiful. She likes to play with the guinea pigs and play with TJ.
Yeah.
Brianna's best friend is Mommy. She likes to go shopping with her and make big messes and embarrassing scenes. Sometimes Brianna gets out of control and Mommy has to give her a spanking.
This is a good story. Based on a true story.
Hold it.
Okay. Now it's time for Brianna to go night-night. She doesn't want to. She wants to leave the light on and read books all the time.
There's her stack of books that we find in her bed every morning.
Brianna likes books more than anything in the whole world. And her thumb. Someday Brianna is going to get really big and tall and have a really nice husband and 10 kids. And she'll have a good job and make lots of money and give it to her mommy.
Running the company.
Someday she's going to stop sucking her thumb and go pee-pee on the potty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. And she's going to wear panties instead of diapers. But right now she's going to go night-night. Good night, Brianna. The end. Okay? That's it. Okay, take your book with you. Go see me. No.
You can read when you go to bed.
Okay? You take your books with you. We are going to leave it open. Okay? Okay, take your Winnie Pooh. Go night-night. Love you.
Open.
Okay, here. Where's your blankie? Oh, got it.
I want this spanky.
You want this one? Good night. See you later. Good night, honey.
Good night, Brianna.
Hey, what are you clowning? What's sleeping in it?
They love you.
Love you.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Don't let the bed bugs bite. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Let the bugs. Don't let the bugs bite.
Yep. Good night, baby.
There are clothes on my bed.
Yeah, there's clothes on your bed.
What are you doing? Good night. It's night time. Can you give a smile for Daddy?
Smile.
Say, I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy.
Say dada. Dada. Dada.
Come on, make this part go.
Say dada. He's in the shadow.
Mama.
Dada.
Evan. Mama. Mama.
Come on, whichever one you say it wins.
Okay, let's go.
Tyler, why didn't you scare them? He was hiding behind you guys the whole time you were reading that book.
Oh. How'd you know that?
Because I was filming it. I watched your little shadow. You should have
Tyler,
scared
get
him.
your stuff on your bed so you can
You
go to bed.
saw a shadow?
I saw you.
Put all your blankets back up. Go to sleep.
How'd you know that was me?
Because I could
You
see.
stinker!
Say Dada.
Dada! 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 Dada!
Evan. Ma.
Say your
Dada!
first words.
Ma.
Come on, Ty. Brianna. Yeah.
You, the other
Sorry.
one, Evan.
The little
Are you
boy.
gonna sleep up there?
Can you say Dada?
Don't get in this bed. You need to put your blankets away.
You have to put all your stuffed animals
Come on,
back up
now.
there.
Then I can sleep.
Dada?
Then put them on the
Come
bottom
on.
and sleep up there.
Say Dada.
To put these.
Dada.
Evan, we don't want all that stuff up here, Ty.
It's pretty.
Dada. Look at that perfect head of hair. Lucky kid. Give me some of that.
Evan, can
I'm
you...
gonna put my toys up here.
Let's have
Go.
him do a little clap. Evan, yay! Evan!
Yeah, Mom. I will put
Evan.
my toys up here. Know why?
Huh?
Because then I can
Yay!
put stuff on me.
You're clapping.
Mom, then I can put that something
Sit
on
up,
me.
honey.
Put something on my face. If water drips on me.
Evan, clap. Clap, yay. Evan!
Oh,
You stinker. Why you don't clap?
You gotta move him away from that, yeah.
Here. Evan, yay, Evan. Yay, Evan, doing good. People are gonna think you're dumb, honey. Clap. Yay, Evan. Yay. Clap. Do you clapping? Do you clap? Do yours. You stinker.
We gotta turn it off. The
Good
battery's
boy.
dying.
Okay.
Good night, Evan.
Good night, Evan. Good night.
Tie all the stuffed animals back up.
Good night.
Good throw, good throw. Good toss.
Here's your blankie, okay? Here's your blankie, buddy. Hey, Tyler, can you turn around and show Daddy your tan line on your tissue?
sure.
for the
Yeah,
movie?
yeah.
Pull your shirt way up. Pull your shirt up.
Okay, open your window. It's gonna be hot tonight. Good night, Evan. No clapping? Yay!
Yay! Bye-bye! Yay!
Yay.
You stinker.
Hello,
How about a
everybody.
talk?
It's Dada.
No Dada? Dada?
Not funny.
Dada?
Like, hello, everybody. It's Dada.
Dada? Yeah, Dada? Dada, look at those little teeth. Dada?
Dad,
You
Dada?
shy?
Dad,
Come on, clap
Dad,
for
you
us.
want to see my...
Just a minute, Tyler. Get in bed.
Look, read this.
You're not gonna read every book you
TJ,
have.
I mean, Dad.
You can read that one.
Daddy.
You wanna read one more book?
Yeah, TJ.
Say Dada. What? What are you saying TJ for?
I'm forgetting your
TJ
name.
was here. Well, that's great. Forget my name. Just because TJ spent the whole weekend with you. While we were in Steamboat. You want me to show you where we were?
Yep, I know where you were. I know where you were, Dad.
Oh, it's not on here.
Yes, it is.
No, not really.
Yeah. Well, kinda.
Up here.
I know. Okay, this is where we live. That's where you are. That's
Yeah.
where you were.
Yep, up there.
My grandma showed me.
Good man. She showed you a lot of stuff. She showed you the place where we stayed on the internet.
Yep.
Mariposa Bed and Breakfast.
Uh-huh.
Evan, can you say Dada?
And I know where the whole water is,
Evan, can you say Dada?
Dad. And I think I know where we live. Is that right here?
Yep, Denver.
Oh yeah.
Denver, Colorado.
Is this where your grandma lives?
No, that's
Or
Utah.
here?
My mom,
Yeah.
New York.
Right here.
New York.
Oh, that's too far. Okay.
And
Ooh, I
Wisconsin is where Grandpa lives.
It's right. I know where Auntie lives.
Not anymore.
Over here.
Well, it's kind of over there. It's over here in Alaska. It's down here in this.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was orange.
Say Dada. Dada.
Hello, Evan.
Dada.
This little boy.
Dada. 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 Oh, screamer. Don't do that to your brother. Okay.
Dad, you wanna
No
see me?
claps?
Dad,
Okay,
you
I'll
wanna
see you
see
later.
this?
Good night, everybody.
Oh, no.
Where are you? What'd you say?
Please. I think walk me in.
Please.
Please. And please walk.
Happy birthday, Evan. Evan, look at mommy. Hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi. Can you smile?
I'm gonna put it over here.
He's making big eyes. Okay. Grandma's got your cake.
Do you have a cup?
There's all your stuff. Hi, Grandma. Happy birthday. Let's see who's over here. Hey, Becky. Hey, Caitlin. Here's Rihanna. Hey, Bob and TJ, say hi.
Hello.
Bobby.
Hello.
TJ, happy birthday.
Evan.
Is that good? Not very, is it?
There's all the carrots and broccoli Mom gave you.
Going right down.
Evan, eat some broccoli. You want to go night-night? You want some cake?
A cake?
I'm heading to the bar.
Daddy.
Don't go. She's going to the bar.
Hurry up with the cake so I can head to the bar.
Brianna, say happy birthday, Evan.
Happy birthday.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Tell them the ABCs.
I love you.
Okay, it's recording.
Hey. Evan, look at.
Wait, let's
Will you turn it just a little?
It's full.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you.
Wait. Look at the cake,
No,
Evan.
you don't blow it. Let him bring it over here. Yay! Clap.
Can you put it over there?
Here,
Look up, Tyler. No.
No. Let Dad do that.
Evan, just
Turn
Hey,
it.
Evan.
Don't let him put his hand.
Smile.
Evan, look at the cake.
Wait, Ty,
Move,
please.
Tyler.
Okay, ready? Make a wish, Evan. I wish I had my bottle back. Go ahead, Ty. Alright.
Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your hands, Evan.
Happy
I'll
birthday.
take the balloon down, okay?
Evan.
I'll clap my hands.
Come on, clap your hands like me and Brianna. You being a stinker? Clap your hands.
Happy birthday.
And then that thing out.
She always said, no. Get it out of my face, she says.
Will you get a knife, honey?
right behind you. Got
I think
knife and a
we
cutter.
just get the
Oh, Evan, right in the head.
Yeah.
one.
Oh, don't stick your hand in there.
Can I have the first piece? Actually,
No, Evan.
I forgot. Me first.
Careful, honey.
Get out of the way, Bob. Oh, I'm sorry. There it is.
No, he doesn't
That's
need
as
a
close as it gets. Oops. Yeah, that's as close as I can get.
Not even, no need for a bib, right?
No. Well, actually, just give him a bath. Or I guess I would prefer.
Ah.
A bib?
Yeah. Not a girl one, though.
Well, there's not much to work with here, bib. We got this beach one.
Yep, that's good. He prefers Let's sit over here then.
You got enough light?
That's enough of this for me.
Here you go.
Yeah, get it
Little
out.
lady. Don't get the messy kitchen.
Uh-oh. Go for it.
Yummy!
Oh,
You gotta eat it, honey.
He's got to break it up first.
I want to see it.
TJ, you want cake?
Yes, please.
I'll leave it there for you.
Yeah. Happy birthday, big guy.
And then there's a half and him to a half.
Look, he lost one leg in the water.
That's this.
None for me, thanks. T, you want cake?
Yeah.
Is that yummy?
Oh, where's the regular cake?
If anybody want more, there's 2 more left. For me.
See, look at that big handful
For
he's got.
me.
Evan!
Not Jeffy? No.
Oh, he's gonna red eye.
Is he eating it?
Evan!
Yeah.
Evan!
He's very neat about it.
Little birthday party. Hey, you guys, look over here.
Where's his girlfriend?
She's down here. He was clapping.
Okay. Here. Brianna, look over here. Cole, look over here.
Mama.
Brianna, say cheese.
Tyler.
These.
God, one of the best pictures ever is him sitting at the end of that birthday party when he's like,
Hey, Brianna. Say happy birthday, Evan.
back in Wisconsin.
Louder.
Is your daddy?
I think that's at his daycare.
Kayla wants me to put your down there.
Tyler.
You don't need any cake.
Tyler. You want to say happy birthday to Evan?
Thank you. Wait, hurry.
Happy birthday, Evan.
Except you're so cute. I want to play with you every day.
That's what I did.
Yeah, look at Mom.
And we did that on the letter.
I know.
Yeah.
We can read
That
that
was
on
such a
camera.
good picture. Brianna, did you see it?
Don't want me.
Okay, Cole, smile. Cheese.
These.
Look at me.
These.
Brianna, let's watch. Should we watch what he's got?
Oh, Tyler, read your card to
I know,
Evan.
I'm opening.
Okay, you could do that.
Okay, what does it say on the outside?
I remember.
Daddy, can you read it? Except I love you so much.
Except I love you so much. I want to play with you every day.
These are all.
Tyler. Right?
Okay, turn it this way so I can see the front real quick.
Get back. You stand right here if
Here, pull.
Oh, that's so nice, Tyler.
you're gonna make it nice and neat.
Come on, Evan.
Oh, that's not for me.
That's so sweet.
That's
You
not for
opening
me.
the letter? Good boy.
Which one is
Yay! Look at that.
Ooh.
I don't have. I don't.
Not yet. Hey, Cole.
Oh.
Put that back and come over here. You can give him that next time.
This is his drum that we bought.
Fix
We
it.
do want to get him a drum, by the way. That's his favorite thing to do in the world.
And play with it like this.
You never have
Yay.
these.
Do you want to hand him to him now, Cole? No, you can hand him that one.
You can hand him your present.
Give him. No, the one. You can hand him the one you gave him if you want.
This one?
Yeah.
Evan, I love you so much. You're so cute. Oh, that's nice, Tyler.
Okay, let's read your letter.
Alright.
Hat or him?
Just wait. Oh, Evan, you're so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, thanks, Becky. That is so cute.
Read it. Read it, Dad.
Evan,
I
I
love
love
it.
you
Now let's
so
do this.
much. You're so cute. Evan, I love you so much. You're so cute.
Look at him. He just grabbed that
Show him
shirt. Like,
Tyler's card.
I did.
Make the
Evan, you're gonna look like a little
Let's
honey.
do the big one.
Oh no, just work your way down.
Yeah, do another one. Do the one from TJ. That's good.
How do you know it's from me?
What happened?
Because I have such a terrible wrapping job and
Maybe.
Let them out.
and Scotch.
Now put his hands in there to help him.
Christmas paper.
Can have toy, big toy. Oh, yeah, fit one. Oh, they're right there. Show you. That's great, TJ.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, cute.
Film it, Mom, film it.
I am.
Turn it on, Kyler.
Oh, that is adorable.
And it goes.
Hey,
That is so cute.
It is really cute.
Staffers.
He's like, yeah.
we did some other Bensons. We did some other Bensons.
You like that?
You take pieces apart, and as you put them back together, it makes a certain sound. And
Oh, that's so cute.
That is so cute. Wow.
Okay, look out, Cole. Move over just a little bit, okay? Thank you, honey.
Tyler, scoot to the side a little bit so your mom can take pictures of Evan.
Evan, why are you so cranky? I think he wants that game back.
Let's
Look
read
at
the letter
that.
not ten.
No,
Let's
Evan,
read the
yes.
letter
I
first.
know,
then.
you're not.
What does that letter say? Turn it this way. Turn it better.
Cole just made it.
Oh, cool. That's so nice.
Oh,
Oh, you're a good boy. Is that for Evan?
Yeah.
That's
that's
nice.
nice.
This is another drum. What are you doing? Did anyone even see this yet?
Winnie the Pooh. He wants all his presents back. That's what he wants.
Oh, me to read this bit. Oh.
Not yet.
Oh, this is good. Happy
Me to
birthday.
read this bit.
I think let's get the big one.
Colton.
Yeah, that's good though. That's good. Let's do the big one so he.
Does anyone have a nook for him?
Mm,
That would be good.
that's better. Everybody's happy. Okay, let's get another present. Oh, here's another card.
Then let's
Okay.
do this first. That's,
Okay.
yeah. That's,
Wow, nice
This
part.
is
Go
from
show the
me.
camera.
Okay, let me see.
this is from me.
Oh, beautiful.
Now,
That's nice. Okay.
now we're her.
Good boy. Yeah.
Hand it on the drum. No.
No kidding.
Pull the rest up. Thank you.
You want to see what it does? To open the
Come on, leave the shirt on, honey.
Okay, let him do it, guys.
Evan's little favorite has to have a sweater on. He gets cold.
You gotta teach him how to do it.
Gotta leave it on. Okay, that's
Da-da.
It's a sound making
one.
Sesame Street.
This.
That's
Grab
cute.
it. He's like, let me see it.
No, let's do the big one now. Yeah. Let's do the big one.
Maybe you guys open that one for him. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's happy.
I think you have to pull it off the corners.
Hold on.
Tyler's gonna get a scissor.
Hit it.
It's good because it makes you
Don't
do
run,
different
Ty.
things with your fingers.
Good.
Like
Careful,
turn
Tyler.
things. And
Oh!
Cool. These are cute.
But let me have the scissor, Tyler, so doesn't nobody steps on it.
Okay, Brianna, you want to help Cole and Tyler?
Right.
Go help them.
What's that?
Oh.
All right.
Not big one. Not big one.
It's a cool one, huh?
Wow.
Got some help?
I got it.
Right here.
You just got one more to go, Bubba. And him play with
You
it.
talk about it all the time.
Oh
The other side was open tie. Wow.
Oh, that's cute.
Can I try?
You open those windows back there behind you?
Okay.
What? The windows? Open them?
Oh,
I was looking at something. I was like,
Evan, come here.
I
Let's
didn't
get
get it. I
on
was
this.
like, man,
Oh.
he's gonna really want to ride on something.
Okay, pull out his outfits, Tyler. Let's check them out. They're pretty cute.
Lion.
Yay, I like that.
Monkey.
Let's start up.
Tiger.
Oh, that's good.
That's cool.
It's noisy.
Zebra. Tiger.
Dude, let's get a
This
ball
is from
going.
you.
Tiger.
That's cute.
Elephant.
Okay, Tyler.
This is nice and quiet. It really is.
That is really cute. Hey, put him on his new bike.
Bring it
like
over.
Granddad?
Okay, let me see that.
Brianna, bring over that bike.
You like
Brianna?
Granddad?
That's so
Bring that
cute.
to Evan.
Thanks, Tyler.
Are you saving?
No.
I'll flip him around.
Okay, look out, Brianna. Look out, Brianna, please. You're in the way. I'm trying to move.
Okay, watch out, guys.
Evan, hold on to this.
No,
Pull,
don't
don't.
push him, pull. You just want to see him sit on it. He's got to get comfortable with that first.
Yes.
Buffalo.
What's a safari?
Move over, honey. Like that.
Now you can push him. Move. Put the rug back there.
Hang on.
He's pushing with his feet, you know. What is that in the back? A brake or something?
I think so, so they can't. So
Oh, so it doesn't flip.
when they
Evan. Evan. Bye-bye. Good night.
Let's watch the birthday movie now.
No, not right now.
Please. Evan, you want to watch the birthday?
Evan.
I want the birthday.
Here we are. I'm not going to commentate. 10:20.
The Loud family moving in next
The new
door.
house.
Neighbors looking out the windows. Oh no, they've got 3.
Laura's going to look back at this. Why the hell did I put it? Here's the house. I don't know whose car that is, but we're going to boot him. Here's Mom. Coming to the house.
TJ.
Who's that?
This is the house I'm gonna buy.
Yep. The new house. If we didn't have so many trees, we could see it.
Oh, these gotta come back.
Okay. Laura's got the keys. So we got.
Before we get smacked.
Okay, heads up.
Oh, that is nice. Hell yeah.
It looks completely different.
Oh,
This isn't the house.
oh man. This is
Isn't
the
that
best.
awesome? I love it.
and look at this room on the outside of the gate, the little fence thing too, so you can put stuff. Isn't that neat?
Oh yeah.
On the ledge here.
Oh yeah.
I guess I should take my shoes off. It's tight. See, we were down in that dirt.
Mom, let's go outside.
Let's start this.
Yes, let's go.
Oh my God, look at all the
We're
mud.
going outside. We're going in outside.
No, you're not going outside.
Not yet. We're still looking around with TJ. Daddy,
This
see
is the loft.
Evan coming up the steps.
Go, go,
Here
Evan.
he comes.
Someone stay behind near him.
my room.
Yay! Let's strap this tight. Sorry, I lost a little.
Whose room is this?
It's Tyler's.
Holy!
No, that's Master.
That's. I'm talking about this bathroom. Oh my god. Man. Look at that.
Yeah, I've seen it.
That's a big tub. That'll fit more than one.
Yeah.
Not like mine, it overflows all the time.
It's the shower.
What do you think, TJ?
I can't believe how nice this is.
Our intercom system.
What do you think? It was crap? Do you think?
Hey, no. What a big tub.
I just love the fact that it's completely empty. Never see this again.
No, let's go.
You learn to swim in that. Oh man, the toilet's
This
separate
is
from...
Bob's room.
Oh
Oh,
man. Walk in the closet. Whoa.
This is
You
your
don't have
room.
enough clothes to put in
This is
here.
your room.
You gotta go shopping.
I know, right now.
Hey Ty, turn around so I can see. No, actually, all I see is shadows. Those are the plantation shutters.
Hi, honey.
Hi, how you doing? I got some good butt shots.
Oh, great.
The kids are gonna wonder what the heck we're talking about when they watch this.
Can we go outside now? Oh, we left that little
This is our office loft. It overlooks the living area.
What are you gonna put here?
My desk and everything.
That's my desk.
And a grand piano.
Whose room is this?
I'm not certain.
Boys. Look at their closet. It has all these
Look what I found. I found a bunny.
And there's our little dog.
Cool.
Mommy, come here.
Just a minute, Tyler.
Are you gonna paint this white?
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yeah, it needs to be printed. It's like, Tyler, I'm looking at the bedroom.
Come on, let's go and look at it. Dad, Dad,
Yeah, Brianna's going potty.
Daddy.
Help her up on the potty. Booty!
Daddy, can I push this?
I don't know what that does.
Look at this intercom.
No, I don't know what that does yet. I'll have to-
What does that mean?
It just reverses it. Wow, this is cool.
Mommy? Alright, TJ.
Yeah.
Pee-pee on the potty!
There's more.
Don't fall in, Brianna.
Yeah.
Brianna's got pee-pee. Good girl.
Now can I go outside?
This is the kids' bathroom. I'll stop filming soon. This is Brianna's room. A little horse.
Not yet, honey.
Cool buttons.
Family room.
Can I push these, Daddy?
No, Ty, please don't push any buttons in
Three full
there.
that?
Nice fireplace, gas fireplace. No outside yet.
It's nice. You got people here in company, you don't have to go upstairs.
Kitchenette area. Ty, please don't mess with stuff, okay?
What is this gonna be?
We're not
This
sure.
is the living room. Family.
The hell's this, the one in the front?
No, this is the family
the other
room,
one.
not the living room.
Can Mom?
What is that?
It's like a house on a wall.
Oh, man.
I gotta see that.
Yeah.
Very big yard, but I don't really care.
Yeah, this is our tiny yard. Our patio
Is this
home.
what you're gonna be?
This is the mother-in-law house.
Downstairs, what's at the house?
The mother-in-law.
I did. I filmed you.
Look at little flower beds.
Isn't this great?
We love the landscaping. Oh, they left the wheelbarrow.
This is so nice. I never noticed this side before either.
Yeah, isn't that nice? It's a nice walkway. Tyler, don't go out that door. You want to see me?
No, no,
Let me see you.
Big smiles, Daddy.
Everybody's so happy, Evan. Make a big smile, Evan.
Yeah, you get in that way? Box, east, box, south.
Here's the kitchen.
Something to eat for us.
I did the kitchen.
There's no refrigerator, honey.
Bob, there's a motorcycle in the garage.
Oh, you didn't get that
it's
yet?
a Harley. Woo!
No, that comes with it. That's the...
Here's the inner. It's downstairs.
I will help you. I will help you. Isn't this nice for you?
Ta-da!
Yeah, you don't need that. Yeah, this would be the kids'
This is your
room.
new house.
This will be the kids' room.
Look at what I left this.
I wonder if they're gonna come back and get that
I
stuff.
don't think so. It's bolted off the ceiling. To the
Gonna get what?
This.
bolted to the wall. I don't think they do that.
How TJ got you doing that?
Wait a second.
I'll record this. Hi, Evan. It's your new house. What do you think? It's like I gotta get out of here. Tyler, what do you think, baby? What do you think, Mom?
All built up. Look at the shelves on that side.
Brenda, this is
Storage room.
any less room than you had.
Setting. Yay. Abby.
Come on, Abby. Come on.
Brianna, look at Mommy. Tyler. Say hi, Mom. You wacko. What are you doing?
Making a pile of leaves. What are you doing?
Videotaping you
Oh.
and our new dog.
I'm waving my.
Don't, hey, we don't do that.
I can't see too well. Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know if this is coming out.
Oh, we got Evan.
Well, I'm gonna film here for a couple minutes, but I don't know if it's gonna come out. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Maybe I'm too close. No, this looks better. This looks better. It was zoomed in. We haven't used the camera in a while. Hi guys.
Hi.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
Hi. Can you wave? Let's say January 10th, 2002. What year is it?
10th, 2002.
How old is everybody?
2000.
How old are you, Brianna? Come on, how old are you? 2.
Oh, I'm 5.
Evan just about drowned on film.
Tyler, how old are you?
Okay.
How old are you, Tyler?
I'm 6.
Yeah.
And Evan is 1. 2.
You guys are almost not going to be able to get in the bath together. Good girl. You're almost not going to be able to get in the bath together anymore. Getting a little big. So anyway, we're here in California.
It will be at the beach today.
Yes, we're going to the beach today. And before the beach, we might go out and check out some stuff.
What?
Some other stuff too. I don't know, some other.
Can't we go to the beach? We've been waiting all
Yep.
every day.
Evan, what are you doing?
Evan,
You
don't twist
sneaking into
that
trouble?
thing. Don't twist it.
Uh-oh, don't turn the water on. Okay. This just might be the happiest day of our lives.
Evan,
We'll tune in later.
Evan, I don't
Get
want
some
you
reactions
to touch. Okay.
for the big day.
Brianna, are you the mommy?
Yeah.
Who's Tyler then?
I'm the daddy.
What's Tyler, Brianna?
What?
Is Tyler the daddy?
Yeah. I'm the baby, Mom. Okay. Now?
What, honey?
I'm the baby.
Why don't you put a new daddy on it first? But Tyler, what are you doing, honey?
Oh,
Get the
I
daddy
forgot
on the baby.
Where's the daddy? Oh, I have to put the daddy on first. Yeah. This way?
Yep. And she take her clothes off.
What? Ooh. You forgot to take her clothes off again.
Just the pants.
No, don't take her clothes off.
Well,
Yeah.
they're getting stuff all over.
We'll have to, Dad.
Annie, you like that Desitin, huh?
Yeah.
Don't eat it for a snack.
Okay, nugget. Okay?
You need napkin?
Yeah.
Why don't you use a wipey right there? Right on the floor. Right down there. There you go.
Open me. I got it.
Okay.
No, I did nugget.
Chill out.
I did that. I did that first part. I did that first.
So check.
Okay, Tyler, that's quite enough stuff on there now. Put the daddy on.
Brianna,
Put the
take
diaper
no more
on.
Desitin, Brianna.
I need some of
We
this.
gotta hide this stuff from her. So you're gonna do this every day.
Okay, Tyler.
That's it.
The baby's tushy's good now. Let's put the daddy on.
I did nugget. Need more Desitin? Alright.
Okay. Carol, I want you to read.
Need more?
You gotta read this.
Okay, hang on. I'm watching the kids. Brianna, boy oh boy. What did Daddy just say about that stuff?
I clean my napkin.
Oh. Can you tell me ABCs?
No.
Can you tell me I love you, Mommy? Love you, Mommy.
Mommy, Mommy.
I think you're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're beautiful, Mom. And I love you so much. And
Oh, thanks. Okay, go help the baby out. Go put her clothes back on.
now what?
She needs some clothes on now. Nice tushy, Tyler.
Oh, now that's what you need. You need a wipey.
You're making a little mess here.
What? What, Mom?
You guys are making kind of messy. Tyler, I can't see you so good. I can see your tushy and that's it. Just do it. Do some more.
My napkin.
Oh, get out of the garbage, please. Okay, do that face for me. She's got that napkin on the garbage. Did you see that, Dad?
She got it out of it.